The big story that we are tracking at the moment from ground zero is the split in the UBT. I'm reporting from the YB Chavan Center, where a press conference is going to take place of the 6 rebel MPs of the UBT who are going to switch side and be part of the Shiv Sena led by Eknath Shinde. Let me take you through the top developments as we speak. In fact, we're given to understand that the UBT is also in a huddle. Uddhav Thackeray and Aditya Thackeray, along with other leaders of the UBT, trying to keep the flock together to ensure that the MLAs and the MLCs of the UBT are not approached or poached by the Shinde Sena. Meanwhile, you've heard interesting reactions coming in. Leaders like Pratap Sarnaik saying that Sanjay Raut has to be thanked for whatever is transpiring. We have some breaking inputs coming in as well on the broadcast. These, in fact, are visuals and images from the meeting of the UBT, where Uddhav Thackeray, Aditya Thackeray, along with the MLAs and MLCs are present. It will be interesting to track how many MLAs turn up for that meeting. Let me in fact go across to Arunil. There's a lot of chaos happening here as well as Sena MPs arrive here. Media there trying to get a reaction from there. Let me go across to Arunil. Arunil, if you can hear me, I believe we have visuals and images now coming in from the UBT meeting as well.
Well, that is right, Swati. Basically, inside visuals of the desperate meeting that Uddhav Thackeray had called in, a damage control measure, one can say, wherein he had asked all his MLAs, 20 MLAs, and the MLCs, to be present in the meeting. A kind of an effort by Uddhav Thackeray to keep his flock together, the elected representatives, that is the MLAs, as well as the nominated representatives inside the Maharashtra Vidhan Bhavan. All of them seem to have attended the meeting. Right now, until now, the claim from Eknath Shinde Shiv Sena is that our Operation Tiger is not limited to the MPs only. We are going to target the 20-odd MLAs from Uddhav Thackeray's camp, as well as the 65-odd corporators that are there in the BMC. So this is basically an attempt by Uddhav Thackeray to gauge, decipher the mindset of his MLAs and his MLCs as well. Whether anybody is inclined towards moving out, that is also been gauged by the Uddhav Thackeray faction. Here at present at the YB Chavan Center, several of the leaders from Eknath Shinde Shiv Sena have already started to arrive over here. The 6 rebel MPs are yet to arrive. Eknath Shinde himself will be arriving. Shrikant Shinde, his son, whom Eknath Shinde only presented as the main hero of this Operation Tiger for their party, will also be coming over here. The 6 rebel MPs went to the official residence of Eknath Shinde, that is Nandanvan. There they had a photo op, and post that they will be coming over here. The 6 rebel MPs will also be giving out their reason why they have left the UBT faction and why they will be joining Eknath Shinde Shiv Sena. It certainly boosts the numbers of Eknath Shinde Shiv Sena with respect to MPs is concerned. That is, their number is going to be 13 now, 4 more than the BJP. Whether it mounts pressure on CM Devendra Fadnavis, because the kind of contribution that Eknath Shinde is making to the
Arunil, it's all about numbers, isn't it? It is a win-win situation for Eknath Shinde. It's a win-win situation for the NDA, because ultimately their numbers increase in Lok Sabha. The only loser here is the UBT. In fact, we have some breaking inputs coming in on the broadcast as we speak. Here at the YB Center, there is going to be a press conference where we'll hear the rebel MPs talk about the reason why they took this decision, and then of course the official joining will take place when these rebel MPs of the UBT will join Shiv Sena led by Eknath Shinde. We'll be tracking those developments. Let me bring in Rucha for more on that. Rucha, it's going to be official in some time from now. I believe we have a reaction coming in from Mr. Shinde, the Deputy Chief Minister of Maharashtra.
टाइगर सक्सेसफुल हो गया है सर, क्या कहना चाहेंगे इसके बारे में?
Okay, all right. So at the moment, the Deputy Chief Minister isn't speaking. We'll try and get his reaction. Remember, earlier in the day, he did say कि operation successful हो गया है. He is giving credit of this entire Operation Tiger to his son, Shrikant Shinde. And you know, what is interesting here is Roaring Tiger was once a mascot of the undivided Shiv Sena, and today this Operation Tiger has dealt a massive blow to Uddhav Thackeray. to the entire UBT Sena. Let me go across to Rucha. She's still with us on the broadcast. Rucha, on one hand, here at the YB Chavan Center, we are waiting for that press conference to take place. On the other hand, we're given to understand at Shivalaya, that's where the UBT MLAs and corporators are arriving for a meeting. Paras is also joining us on the broadcast. Paras, important decisions taken by the rebel MPs to switch sides. We'll get to know the reason behind that in a short while as the press conference begins.
Rightly said, this is a very, very important time for Eknath Shinde Sena, as the 6 rebel MPs from UBT has been shifted to Eknath Shinde's Shiv Sena, and now they will be doing a press conference in some time, but it will be very important to see what they'll speak in the press conference. What was the reason why they shifted to the Eknath Shinde Sena and why they left UBT. So this will be a very, very important point as we speak in this entire matter. The monsoon session is already on, and it will be a major talking point from tomorrow in the session. But it will be very important to see what all the 6 MPs, the rebel MPs, has to say about this whole situation, why they left UBT and why they are joining Eknath Shinde Shiv Sena. It will be very important to see. And on the other hand, the UBT is trying to speak to all the MLAs and all the MLCs where they have, and they are trying to understand the things about all the 6 rebel MPs, why they left, and that's why a hurdle has been made at the party office in Shivalaya, where we are standing right now, and meeting is underway where Aditya Thackeray, Sanjay Raut, Uddhav Thackeray, the party chief UBT, is also there, and they are.
How the blame is now landing at Sanjay Raut's doorstep, with more and more leaders now saying that Sanjay Raut is to be blamed for what's happening in the UBT now. Pratap Sarnaik earlier said we really want to thank Sanjay Raut because first it were the MLAs of the UBT who switched sides, and now it's the MPs, only because of Mr. Sanjay Raut making those statements saying that the smaller parties, the regional parties, should merge with the Congress, that perhaps led to this narrative, this fear amongst the UBT MPs that Uddhav Thackeray might merge his party with Congress. Later, of course, Uddhav Thackeray also issued a clarification in which he said that he was with the BJP in power for several years. He never merged with the Bharatiya Janata Party, so why would he merge his party with Congress? But there's this fear now among other regional parties as well. Let's listen into what Mr. Rohit Pawar had to say.
They have been bought now. I think in cash they have been given 85 crores, and through development funds they are being told that 250 crore development funds would be given to you, out of which you can do a small amount of corruption commission here and there, 10 to 15%. BJP wants more and more MPs on their side to pass delimitation bill.
So interesting reactions there coming in. Sanjay Raut also, remember, earlier leveled this allegation that crores of rupees have been offered to these MPs to switch sides, and it's greed which actually led them to take this decision. A similar jibe came in from Mr. Aditya Thackeray as well, who said that these MPs fought on UBT tickets, they fought on brand Thackeray and brand Shiv Sena, and now they are switching sides. This is nothing but betrayal of the trust that was placed in them by people of their constituency. Let me go back to Paras, who continues to be with us on the broadcast. Till now, we've heard speculations about why this must have happened. You had the Shiv Sena led by Eknath Shinde taking jibes at Uddhav Thackeray and saying that as far as Shiv Sena is concerned, the one that is led by him, there are no servants and masters. Everyone is a Karyakarta. But that's not the case with UBT, where Uddhav Thackeray never had any time to meet the MPs, the MLAs and the MLCs. That's the reason why people lost trust in his leadership, and they decided to take this decision to switch sides, Paras.
Rightly said, there are many speculation which was there continuously from the time it was into the news that the 6 rebel MPs are going to join the Shiv Sena-led Shiv Sena, Eknath Shinde-led Shiv Sena. After that, there were many jibes which was taken by Eknath Shinde on Uddhav Thackeray, and Uddhav Thackeray and the other party's leader has also taken jibe at Eknath Shinde and his party. There was certain abusive language which was used by Sanjay Raut also in this entire situation. There was many abusive word which was used, and today is the time where we are going to get to know that why these 6 rebel MPs has rebelled and why they shifted side. First of all, I just wanted to show you some of the visuals outside the party office of Shiv Sena. The riot police control force has been stationed outside the Shiv Sena UBT party office over here, and they are put on the alert mode as the press conference of Shiv Sena led faction with 6 rebel MPs will be starting in some time, and before that there should not be any bad thing happening over here, and that's why the precautionary measures has been taken. You can see in the visuals that riot police control force has been stationed outside. With that, there will be very, very important to see what the rebel MP will speak in the press conference, because the reason...
Yes, that is also because of the kind of statements that have been made. Earlier, remember, there were reports that additional security has been put in place because there was a sense that this switch could lead to clashes between the Karyakartas of both the Senas. There was initially that apprehension, and that's why measures were taken. And then on top of everything, Paras, remember the statements that were made by Mr. Sanjay Raut, who said that in case these MLAs and MLCs decide to part ways and split with the UBT, then just go ahead and thrash them. So such violent language was used by Mr. Sanjay Raut as well. Rucha spoke to Mr. Shambhuraj Desai a short while back. Let's listen into what he had to say about the rebel MPs.
We are joined by Shambhuraj Desai. Sir, how are you looking at the developments? What led to this situation particularly?
See, those who will join hands to strengthen our chief leader and the Deputy Chief Minister of Maharashtra, Honorable Eknath Shinde Sahib, we welcome all of them. See, he may be MP or MLA or any public worker. They are working for their constituency. They are working for the people from their constituency. And those things which they have committed to their constituency, they have to complete that. And for that, they need support of the party leadership. The chief leader of the party should support them for their works in their constituency, for their works with the state government, central government. And now we have seen, means from yesterday, many of the MPs from Ubata have openly given statement that they are not getting support from the party leadership. The public works in their constituency are not getting completed. And the other side, you see the working of Honorable Shinde Sahib. Anybody who comes with a public work to him, he is always open to help all of them. And so maybe...
Right. Let's break down the details of what Paras was just telling us a short while back about the security arrangements that have been made at Shivalaya. We're given to understand that riot control police team has reached there at Shivalaya. This is where, now Shivalaya is where the UBT faction is meeting. The UBT faction MLAs and their MLCs are supposed to hold a meeting. That's where riot control teams have been now deployed. And here at the YB Chavan Center, let me give you a quick glimpse. Cops having a tough time here as well, controlling the situation. You can see the media personnel here who are waiting for that press conference and perhaps a reaction post that from the rebel MPs on what they have to say about this decision of theirs. So on the other hand, at Shivalaya, there's a riot control team that has been deployed. Let's go back to Paras. In fact, he continues to be with us on the broadcast. That, in fact, tells you about what's happening in both the Senas as well. Here, earlier, Eknath Shinde, the Deputy Chief Minister of Maharashtra, said operation successful ho gaya. Then he said, just wait, there is a lot of breaking news that is going to come in. And then came a statement that the Operation Tiger continues 365 days a year. These are all hints and indications that it is not going to stop just with the MPs, Paras. On the other hand, there, from where you are reporting Shivalaya, there is a struggle now to keep the flock together.
Rightly said, Swati. This is the very three statement which has triggered this security measures outside Shivalaya. This three statement, which was made by Deputy CM of Maharashtra Eknath Shinde, has triggered this security measures to take place outside Shivalaya. This is the Royal Control Police, which has been stationed outside a few minutes ago. They are here and they are on alert mode. If you can see on the other side, there are also riot control police force which has been stationed. With that, the Mumbai police has also increased the security measures outside Shivalaya, and they are on the alert mode. This is a very, very important time, and the situation should not go out of control, because both the factions, party Karyakarta, are on the mood of the other situation, because as you had rightly mentioned a few minutes ago, that Sanjay Raut is continuously probing and continuously speaking very negative about the situation, and he is abusing the 6 MPs who has just shifted to Eknath Shinde's Shiv Sena. So situation should not go bad, and should not should be the law and order situation, and that's why this precautionary measures has been taken by Mumbai police. You can see still in the visuals that the riot control police has been stationed outside Shivalaya, and it will be very, very important to see what will happen in this entire situation, as the press conference will start in some time of the 6 rebel MLAs, MPs who has just reached the airport, and after that
MPs, as far as the 6 rebel MPs will have a lot to say, and so will the UBT faction, so will Uddhav Thackeray, once the rebel MPs talk about their reason why they've taken this decision. Let's now go across to Pratibha for more breaking news and updates coming in from across the country. Over to you, Pratibha.
Right.